Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Oneplus Nord N300 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to heat the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic carbide tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, undo 18 screws in the mid frame. Also, ensure the SIM tray is out. Next, use a plastic carbide tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. This process will take time. While pulling out the mid frame, be gentle. The fingerprint button flex is attached to the mid frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, unplug the fingerprint button connector from the logic board to release the mid frame from the body. In some cases, just like our guide, the button will release while pulling out the mid frame. Next, pull out the not working battery from the body. First, gently lift the battery using the pull tab to release it from the frame. If the pull tab is damaged or breaks, carefully pry under the battery using a pry tool. You can also apply some heat to soften the adhesive. Avoid heating if the battery is swollen or damaged. Next, place the new battery on the frame. If requires, add some adhesive to the battery. Next, secure the fingerprint button flex. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the mid frame back into position and secure it with 18 screws. While positioning the mid frame, make sure the fingerprint button is properly seated in its opening and verify that all mid frame clips are fastened before inserting the screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.